Paige, you gonna do some bouncing? Do some bouncing?
Paige. Paige.
Paige? Too interested in the label. There we go. Get out, bounce. Go on. Oh, there's your feet. There's your feet.
Cleaning, Louis.
Hoovering up. Louis doing some cleaning.
Mummy.
Oh.
What is it?
You have to go and clean the TV stand with that one. Go on in. Clean the TV stand with it. Not with that one, with the little one. Look. Use the little one. Alright, you want to swap? You use that one. You want to clean that with it? Shall we clean together? Look, come on. Should do it up the hole. Look, let's clean up the hole. Go. Come on in. Come and hoover up the hole. Go. Ready? That way. Go. I'm gonna hoover up this way. Uh-oh, she's out now. Is Paige gonna do some pretend hoovering? Oh, Lou's gonna hoover the wall. Good job, Louis. Oh dear. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Do some more. The wall must be dirty if you want to hoover it.
Yeah.
Go on. You missed a bit on the bottom.
Yeah.
Go on, get it. Oh dear. You want to do some hoovering? Go on. You'll just want to eat it, won't you? Oh, stroppy. Getting it back. What else is dirty, Louis? Here he comes. What else are you going to hoover?
Mummy.
You want to hoover Mummy?
Yeah.
Go on in. Go and hoover Mummy.
Oh no!
Go on.
Oh, you're getting me.
Do the noise. Go.
Daddy.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Hoovering me. Uh-oh.
Wrong. Come on in.
Oh, we've got a tired Paige now, Louis. Tired Paige. Where else are we going to hoover, Louis? Hoover the windows. Go and hoover the windows. Go and hoover the windows. Quick. Ready, go. Go. Oh, good job. You're going to be a window cleaner?
Yeah.
Is that your call in life? You're just going to clean everything? You're going to clean Louis's belly? Louis, clean your belly? Oh, good job. Well done. What about Paige? You going to hoover Paige? Let's go. Let's go.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Hoovering Paige. Go. Go. Oh. I think she likes that.
Oh.
I think she likes that.
You're tired.
Oh, Paige is tired. Paige is tired.
Sleepy Paige.
Ah, it's such a little baby. Such a little baby. Hey? Gonna give me a kiss.
Daddy kisses.
Oh, you're gonna give the camera a kiss. Give the kiss. Give the kiss. Oh, that's a nice kiss. Well done.
Oh, Louis want to give the camera a kiss.
Louis want to give the camera a kiss. Give it. Oh, that's a nice kiss. Well done. You want to give Paige a kiss?
Yeah.
Go on then. Give Paige a kiss. Go. I'm not Paige. Go give Paige a kiss.
Go get Paige.
Give Paige a kiss. Oh,
Good.
well done.
Ah.
Going in for more. She's got her mouth wide open. She's gonna eat you. No, you don't want it to eat you, do you?
She's coming. She's coming.
Oh,
She's coming. She's
that's
coming.
good walking, Pete. Well done.
Okay.
Let's scratch his back.
Baby.
Let's scratch his back.
Baby.
Yeah, Louie.
Baby.
Louie.
No.
What are you getting, Louie? You gotta play some music. Play some music. Oh, you want to play Thomas? Uh-oh. You play some Thomas?
Yeah.
Yeah? Should we turn it on? Where's your remote? Where's your control for it? Go get it. Can you find it? Where is it then? That's a digger. Where's your Thomas controller? Have we lost it? It's not over here, is it?
Yeah.
Is it? I bet it's not. I bet we can find it. Let's find it. This hectic toy box. There it is, see? I found it. Should we turn the Thomas on? Should we try it? Does it work? Should we turn the controller on? That usually helps. I can hear it. Go! Yeah! Off it goes. Up the hallway. No, it doesn't go. You can't put it on the wall. It's not a Spider-Man, Thomas. Go, Paige. Go and get him. Good crawling. Go. Go on in. You're going to show it to Paige. Go. Ah, that's cheating. You have to use the remote. Go on, Paige. Get it. Good job. Oh. Crash. Uh-oh. 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 Have you finished with it, Thomas? You finished? You're going to carry on. Hoover Thomas. Oh, good job. It's all clean now. Yeah? Are you going to say bye? Say bye. No, say bye to
Daddy.
say bye to the camera. Bye.